Job ka samla Bahun Nongrum kum ka Miss Meghalaya, kadba ka samla Fortunate Mika Dkhar Kum ka Miss Teen Meghalaya arjal apusau. Yakni ka rinsan lapelong ha kasni sajan, ha lariti multi-purpose hall mau kasyang. Ka samla chivalry lartang bat ka samla Lily kharthang mau, kila job ha ka first but second runners up, ha ka niya ka junior co-op ki thai bhabriyo. Ka samla Bahun kan mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya ha ka Miss Universe India arjal apusau. Kadba ka samla chivalry bat ka samla Lily kan mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya ha ka Miss North East araja apusau ka manlong ha Itanagar Arunachal Pradesh. Ha ka kerdan ka Miss Teen ka samla Palay Chins bat ka samla Nikita Nongrum kilawan ha ka first but second runners up. Ka samla Fortunate kabala job ya ka Miss Teen kan mi khmat ya ka Meghalaya sha ka Rinsan Miss Teen Diva ka manlong ha Jaipur Rajasthan. Ki nong bishar hakani ka junior cop kilong u Amjad Khan director ka operation and marketing for Miss Universe India ka Arshina Sumbul Miss Grand International India arjar apulai ka Divya Gambhir state director for Miss Universe Rajasthan and Miss India multinational arjar apuai but u Mil Pucho state director for Miss Universe Nagaland ka ba job ya ka Miss Meghalaya arjar apusau kalayo eka kusnam ka ba shilak tingka kadba ka balong baar ka yo sanpo hajar mat ka balai arpusan hajar kala du ka Miss Teen Meghalaya arja arpusau ka yo arpusan hajar ka balong baar ka yo khatsan hajar mat ka balai ka long shpo hajar.
I am from a small village known as Ladamba. I love dancing as it is my mind.
A very good evening to everyone present here and my dear respected judges. I, Pentingan Karinson,
The next contestant moving on to top 10 is Teen.
Contestant number 13. Previously, we've got contestant. And the next contestant moving on to the top 10 is contestant number 16. 1-6. Contestant number 16, may we please have you on stage?
The next contestant moving on to top 10 is contestant number 4. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Communication, I think, yeah. Okay, my question, I will give you a very interesting question, alright? Okay, the question is, if you were given an opportunity to give one advice to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, what advice would you give and why?
Thank you, sir, first of all, for giving me these opportunities again. And at the same time, thank you for the question. Well, one advice that I would love to give to our leaders, that be a good leaders who cares for the people, who make fair decisions, and who always think about the goods of the other people who's supporting them, because we know that they know, because without us they are nothing, and we can work together to promote our state and uplift our state, and that the world would be much better. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Come on, I need to see you guys move a little bit. I see you getting no I see you getting no so.
And now your time is up, please.
our final judge of the evening is Miss
17! Once again, the second runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, goes to contestant number 17. And the second runner-up winner will also be given a check. And as we can see, the check is also here. Please be here with us, Ms. Divya.
I'd like to invite Shri Frederick Harkumar to kindly come up on the stage and give away the check. Can we please have the applause going? It's almost the end of the night.
Moving on to the first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. And the winner is
Contestant number 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, you have your first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024, contestant number 8. To crown, I would like to call up on stage the reigning first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya, Miss Gracie Nandi. And to sash, I would like to invite on stage once again, Miss Divya Gambhir.
We have Ms. Gracie Nandi, first runner-up, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023. I'd like to invite on the stage Shri Sanvar Shalai to kindly give away the cash prize.
Now the moment we all wait for, the crowning of Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. To do the honor, I would like to invite upon stage the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya 2023, Miss Angelina Jackson.
Thank you so much, Angelina.
Big congratulations, Miss Teen Meghalaya 2024. I will request the winner to kindly take the award. And thank you so much, Divya ma'am.
Like you've nothing but power, and the minutes into hours, you know what
A big congratulations to all the contestants as well. You may now exit the stage.
Second runner-up of Miss Universe Meghalaya is contestant number 16.
Give away the check, I will humbly request Sri Frederick Roy Kharkamon to kindly come up on stage. So winner for the first runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 goes to contestant number 13. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, here is your first runner-up, Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024.
Must I mention, the first and second runner-up of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024 will represent the state in Miss Northeast.
I humbly request Sanwar Shulai to kindly do the honor of giving away the check to our first runner-up winner. Ladies and gentlemen, loud cheers for Ms. Galan.
Weeks of hard work, for some years of hard work, and the moment is here to announce the winner of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024, and the winner is contestant number 18.
again, a very big congratulations to all the contestants of Miss Universe Meghalaya 2024. You may now depart the stage, and we would now also like to welcome the winners of Miss Team to kindly come back on stage.
And the other contestants, you may kindly
You may depart.
exit.
You may take a leave. Yes. We humbly request the remaining contestants of Miss Universe category to kindly take a leave.
So as the curtains to Miss Universe Meghalaya and Miss Team Meghalaya 2024 draws to a close, we